Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the rear differential fluid on a 2010-2015 RX350 all-wheel drive. You're going to need a flashlight, drain pan, a set of gloves, a T55 TORX socket and a ratchet, and proper 7590 gear oil. Multiple brands make this. It's not brand specific. You can use Toyota if you want to, but it really doesn't matter. You're also going to need replacement O-rings for the fill and drain plug. First, you want to go ahead and take your T55 TORX, remove the fill plug first. Don't do the drain plug first, because if for some reason you remove this and the fill plug is seized, you're out of luck. Next, take your T55 and go ahead and break the drain plug loose. Mine's already been broken loose. Remove it. This one is magnetic, so when you take it out, go ahead and take some purple power, degreaser, whatever you have around to clean, and take all of the, yours is probably going to be gunky, because this magnet collects whatever impurities lie inside metal objects. Clean this, make sure it's nice and clean. All right, after that's all drained out of there, replace the drain plug. Go ahead and take your new gear oil, make sure you have a fluid pump. Go ahead and stick this up into the fill hole and start pumping. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pump until it starts leaking out of the top. And this might take a few minutes. All right, so we're at the point where it's starting to come out of the top. Just make sure it's got a steady stream coming out. Make sure it's actually coming out and it's not just leaking out. All right, got a steady stream, so that means it's full. Go ahead, remove your pump. Take a new gasket, or O-ring, sorry. And go ahead and put that fill plug back in. Go ahead and take a new O-ring, get your fill plug. Go ahead and replace the fill plug. And then using your T55 socket, just tighten it by hand. It should not be super tight. These are usually only put to about 15 or so foot-pounds. If you have a torque wrench, that also helps. Replace the fill plug, tighten it. Go ahead and maybe take some cleaner, degreaser. Spray this, get all that gear oil off the diff. Clean it off, make sure everything's dry. That way you can also monitor if maybe you have a leak or something as well. There you go, all done.